Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest trends in AI and personal finance. In today's video, we're going to talk about the top 5 AI tools that are replacing human jobs in 2026. From content creation to data analysis, these tools are changing the way we work and earn money. Let's dive into the first method, which is using AI-powered content creation tools to earn up to $500 per month. For example, you can use tools like WordLift or Content Blossom to create high-quality content for your blog or social media channels. These tools use natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to generate content that is engaging and relevant to your audience. In the second method, we're going to talk about using AI-powered data analysis tools to earn up to $1,000 per month. For example, you can use tools like Google Data Studio or Tableau to analyze data and create visualizations that help businesses make informed decisions. These tools use machine learning and deep learning algorithms to identify patterns and trends in data that would be impossible for humans to detect. In the third method, we're going to talk about using AI-powered automation tools to earn up to $2,000 per month. For example, you can use tools like Zapier or IFT to automate repetitive tasks and workflows, freeing up your time to focus on more creative and high-value tasks. These tools use machine learning and natural language processing algorithms to understand your workflow and automate tasks that would otherwise take hours to complete. As a bonus tip, we're going to talk about using AI-powered chatbots to earn up to $500 per month. For example, you can use tools like ManyChat or Dialogflow to create chatbots that help businesses automate customer support and sales. These tools use natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to understand customer inquiries and respond with personalized and relevant answers. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on AI and personal finance, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on the latest trends and tips.